Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad. My name is Karen Breyer, and I just finished making a cooking video, and I'm reminded that I owe you an explanation where I've been for quite a while. I haven't filmed in a long time. Anyways, I tried to make this video before, and it was too hard, so I didn't. So I thought I'd make this really short so I can get through it, but anyways, I made this cooking channel for my dad. He wanted to learn how to cook, and he lived in Iowa and I lived in California, and so I made lots of easy, healthy recipes, and he did learn to cook. But he did get an illness a couple years ago. It was autoimmune illness that hit his nerves, and he got paralyzed. Anyways, I live in Oregon now, but I brought him out here to stay with me, and I took care of him. I took care of him the best I could, and I think our family did a really good job taking care of him. But unfortunately, he passed away last year in March. And even when I was taking care of him, he expected he would get better, and he was going to plan to come and join my cooking videos. And he would always ask me, "Have you posted a video and lately?" And when I was taking care of him, I think I posted like once a month. That's all I could do. And I've taken a long break, and I'm ready to get back to make cooking videos because there's a lot of people who want to learn how to make easy, healthy recipes, and I love cooking. I love creating recipes, and I know I've helped a lot of people besides my dad, so I want to continue on. And my dad stayed positive to the end. He always thought he was going to get better, even to the last day. Anyways, he was an inspiration for this channel, and I plan to continue it. So I hope you check out some of my videos. I have filmed a few now. I need to edit them, and I'll post them. And I'll probably post this one first because you're going to wonder where I was, but that's where I've been, and I hope I see you in the next lesson.